Is Loom refusing to start a recording, freezing during capture, or failing to save your videos? Recording issues can happen for several reasons, but most of them are quick to fix. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Loom not recording in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Loom relies on cloud services, and connection problems can sometimes prevent recordings from starting or uploading properly. Next, check that Loom has permission to record your screen. Operating system privacy settings can sometimes block screen capture features. If you're recording audio or video, confirm that Loom has permission to access your microphone and webcam. Missing permissions can cause recording sessions to fail. Close Loom completely and reopen it. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches and restore normal recording functionality. Make sure you're using the latest version of Loom. Software updates frequently include bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Some screen recording, video conferencing, or security applications may interfere with Loom. Try closing unnecessary apps before starting a new recording. After making these changes, create a short test recording. If the test works correctly, you're ready to continue with your normal recordings. And that's how to fix Loom not recording in 2026. By checking permissions, updating the application, and eliminating common conflicts, you can solve most recording issues quickly. So try these troubleshooting steps and get back to recording. Thanks for watching.